Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Trollbeads collection / a brief unboxing. As you guys know, I started collecting Trollbeads last year. It's actually probably pretty much a year ago. I invested in my first ever Trollbeads purchase, which I do have a video about that, which I'll link somewhere on the screen. And I got the Trollbeads Bangle and a couple other charms from that. Now, as you guys know, that Bangle was one size too big, and basically about late summer, I believe, Trollbeads had an amazing sale. So of course, I had to order. And the sale was basically, it was more of a promo where if you bought a lock with a little clasp, you would get a free Foxtail bracelet. And I really wanted to invest in the Foxtail bracelet, especially because the Bangle just was starting to feel a little bit uncomfortable because I was always like, I wish it was a little bit smaller. So it just seemed like the perfect time. So somewhere on the screen right now, you'll be seeing a little brief unboxing of my Trollbeads purchase. Now, when I ordered this, it was so beautifully packaged. Now, the experience of just how they wrapped it, it was like a gift. Like, it was so stunning. So if you are thinking about Trollbeads and you don't have one in your area, you're thinking about maybe ordering online, my experience was just amazing. It shipped so fast, it came fast, and just the little ribbon details and everything, it was so well packaged. So of course I did invest in the Foxtail bracelet, like I mentioned, and a special clasp, which I'll get to in a little bit later in the video. Anyway, without further ado, make sure you grab a cup of tea and let's head into my Trollbeads collection, where I'll show you each piece one by one and what I have in my collection. And I'd also love to know if you guys collect Trollbeads, and if so, what pieces do you have? I would love to see them if you're on Instagram, or if you're also on YouTube, please make a video about them. I would love to see. Anyway, have a great day, you guys, and let's head into the video. The first two items I have to share with you is my Foxtail bracelet by Trollbeads with a beautiful lock. Now, this lock I had wanted for so long, ever since I went on the Trollbeads website. I just thought it was beautiful. This is called the Tree Troll Lock. And I love trees, and there's something very magical and fairy tale like when they have a cute little face or some kind of type of face on the tree. And this was just, it just looks so wise. He looks so funny and cute, and I just had to get this. So this is a very Emily charm. I love the kind of little tree bark details on it. It's just stunning. The first charm I have to share with you is called Lover's Faith, and this was a gift from my husband. It's a beautiful flower charm, and it has beautiful details on it, and it's quite large for its size, so I don't know if you can tell from the bracelet, but it's a bigger charm, and it kind of just dangles over the bracelet. There's so many pretty details on here from every single angle, which I really love. And again, the size just makes it so unique and really pops out. So such a beautiful addition to my Trollbeads collection, and I love it so much. Super sweet of my husband to pick it out for me. Now, I'm sure you all remember this little fairy of nature charm because he was in my first ever Trollbeads charm, and he made me want to get a Trollbeads bracelet when I saw it in the store. He's just so cute, and I love nature. I love the outdoors. I love hiking, and he really sums up all that love of nature within this cute little charm with a little flower on top. And he looks so cute when you put a Murano on top. He could be worn as a pendant or on your bracelet. He's just, it's just such the sweetest little charm. The first Murano or glass bead that I have to share with you is called Shades of Peace. And again, this was featured in my other video I had filmed a year ago. I love this Murano. It is so magical looking. And I mean, each of the Trollbeads Muranos, they're one of a kind. As you guys know from my past video, Trollbeads actually used to design Pandora's Muranos, and you can tell about the amount of detail in these charms. They're so magical. I think Trollbeads does the best Muranos. You can just see like the glitter, the multicolored, the cute little lines, the bubble details. We're moving into my next Murano now, which is also so pretty. This one has little bits of purple and gold. It's called Graceful Sky, and it's a true work of art. Trollbeads is really a work of art. The next charm is called the Lotus Flower Charm. This is beautiful, and I got this because I thought it looked so lovely paired with the Fairy of Nature charm, just because of the textures and the size and details of it. I originally had this design on a bangle, which you'll see later on. Now, this is, again, such a beautiful charm. It has lovely little details on it, and just, it's so pretty. Next glass bead is a Murano that I wanted pretty much the same time as I wanted my lock. It is called Spirit Light. It is beautiful, and it's clear. It's a glass clear bead, but it has these little, like, it's like almost that it's like dripping or like it's melting, and it's kind of like the glass just kind of turns around it. It's so stunning, and depending on how it catches the light, it kind of bounces off a little bits of white and blue. It's so beautiful, and this represents my faith and all of that too in this charm, and it's so, again, so beautiful. The next charm is the Milky Quartz charm. So this is faceted around in a beautiful white milky color. This was also a gift from my husband, and it is so beautiful. I just love the freshness of this charm. It's very white, and it feels very peaceful and relaxing. The next bracelet I have to share with you is my Trollbeads bangle with the oxidized spacers. They have a little bit of rubber inside, so it keeps all your charms in place. Now, I love this bangle. I love it so much. The only downside is it was a size too big for me, almost 2 sizes. So I would wear it, but often I would feel like it was moving a lot. So I decided to put all my charms on my Foxtail bracelet for now. I might still use this, but the pictures I'm showing you right now, or the video footage, is of the old design. So here I am when I first got my new Foxtail bracelet. I took off all the charms off my bangle and decided to do a little design on it. So I put Spirit Light and the Milky Quartz on it, and I loved how that looked. And then I repositioned all my Trollbeads charms back onto this bangle, and I would wear both together, and I loved how it looked. But again, the bangle just kept moving around, so to me it just made the most sense to put everything on the one bracelet for now, because I was going to enjoy it more. Last Trollbeads item I have to share with you is my beloved Magic Fairy Pendant. He is so cute, and what I love about him, if you can see, is his face actually has little details. His feet have cute little details. He has a really cute little fairy leaf hat on, and the shape of him, he's kind of curving slightly. He has so much character and charm about him, and the cute little tail at the back. I love wearing this as a necklace, although I am thinking about getting one of the Trollbeads necklaces for him because I think he would rest a little bit better. I find on the chains I use for him currently, he does flip over occasionally, and I think the Trollbeads ones would better help with that. So I love him. He's super cute, and I think he's kind of full of mischief a little bit too. And that's it for my Trollbeads collection. For now anyway, I'm sure I'm probably going to add a couple more pieces to this collection. Again, they're just so artistic and beautifully done. These are the finished bracelets as to currently what I have to date. So that's what my Foxtail bracelet looks like, and it has a bunch of different charms on it, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's fun to have everything on the same bracelet. Anyway, that's it for my Trollbeads collection / brief unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't already kind of dove into the Trollbeads world and you've been thinking about it, I highly encourage you to. There's something that's very special about Trollbeads that's very unique, especially compared to Pandora. I almost feel like it's a little more artistic than what Pandora is, and that really appeals to me. The charms are so detailed and beautiful, and I actually find the price points quite reasonable for the amount of detail in each of the pieces. There are a couple more Trollbeads pieces I am thinking about investing in to my collection, so I'll keep you guys posted. Anyway, I wish you guys a wonderful February. Happy early Valentine's Day. I do have a Valentine's video coming out, so stay tuned for that. And take care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers, and bye for now.